If you are watching this video, then it is a sign from the universe. Keep watching. Ever noticed how some folks just seem to have everything going for them? They're happy, successful, and seem to have plenty of everything. You might wonder, how do they do it? How do they make their dreams come true? Believe it or not, there's a way to learn their secrets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to communicate with the universe in a way that you'll get noticed and listened to. Harmonizing dreams with the universe. Syncing with the universe goes beyond mere chance. It's a mix of art and insight. Those adept at this often experience lives that appear almost magical to others. It's all about emitting the right energy and being receptive to the universe's echoes, akin to playing a game of cosmic catch. Envision the universe as an extensive network of pathways, each poised to align with your goals. Speaking of goals, you can help us reach our goal of 10K subs by hitting the red button. Thanks. Picture articulating your deepest desires and seeing them materialize right before you. This is not a fantasy. It's very much within reach with a little understanding. By grasping the universe's language and emitting precise, intense energy, you can see your life transform. It's akin to a deep, meaningful conversation with the cosmos, making sure your thoughts and desires are clearly transmitted. The language we use in our spiritual practices and affirmations significantly influences our ability to bring our dreams to life as the universe operates in the present. The vibes we send out pave the way for our experiences. We are surrounded by a world throbbing with energy. Employing affirmations in the present tense aligns us with the life we wish for, conjuring enchanting results that draw our aspirations nearer. To effectively communicate with the universe, eliminating any doubts or negative energies that obstruct our spiritual pathways is crucial. This involves profound self-awareness and maintaining high vibrational energy. Through this, we can convert our daily thoughts and emotions into powerful catalysts that effortlessly magnetize our desires, much like magic. The essence of the law of attraction is akin to a divine conversation with the universe, with our emotions and thoughts acting as the medium. By tuning our energy through positive affirmations and deliberate actions, we can manifest our dreams and lead a fulfilling life. Yet, it's important to practice patience as the universe moves at its own rhythm, often out of sync with our immediate desires. Trust in universal timing is vital. Understand that the moment you long for something, it already exists in the quantum field, ready for you to resonate with its energy. Initiating contact with the universe begins with projecting your energetic wishes. Our constant interaction with the universe means it responds to the energy we emit, leading us to encounter people, situations, and events that mirror our vibrational state. This is grounded in the concept that everything is made of energy, each with its distinct vibrational rate. Vibrating with the cosmos, our world and everything in it, including what we think and feel, vibrates with energy. This is the essence of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Therefore, every time we think or feel something, we're sending a signal out into the universe, telling it what we're looking for. The universe, in turn, always responds positively to our signals. Visualization is another powerful tool in aligning ourselves with the universe's energies. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we create a mental blueprint that the universe can respond to. This process not only clarifies our goals, but also instills a deep-seated belief in their attainability. Visualization acts as a magnet, drawing the essence of our dreams into our reality and reinforcing the law of attraction. Cultivating a sense of unity and connectedness with everything around us fosters a profound understanding that we are not isolated beings but part of a larger, dynamic cosmic web. Recognizing this interconnectedness allows us to see the role we play in the universe's grand scheme. By embracing our place in the world, we enhance our ability to influence our circumstances positively, leading to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. This holistic approach to living in tune with the universe paves the way for a journey filled with growth, prosperity, and joy. Feeling happy and upbeat puts our brain on a high frequency, in sync with the universe's energy, drawing in people, things, and situations that vibe with our positivity. Conversely, when we're down or negative, our brain's frequency drops, pulling in things that resonate with that lower state. To attract what we desire, maintaining a high, positive energy level is key. This positivity communicates with the universe, signaling that we're in the market for more of the good stuff. Having faith in ourselves and trusting the universe are vital. This confidence and trust forge a strong connection with the universe's boundless giving, influencing our future. To be in harmony with the universe, we need clarity about our desires, positive thinking, and proactive steps toward our aims. Staying open to the universe's signals opens doors to unexpected opportunities. Regularly communicating with the universe isn't just occasional, it should be part of our daily routine, where gratitude plays a significant role. The more we interact with the universe, the more it reciprocates. We're not merely observers in life, we're actively shaping our reality. Now is the perfect time to start a dialogue with the universe to turn our dreams into reality. Engaging in this conversation with the universe doesn't just change our lives, it also adds to a global positive energy. Aligning our wants and actions with the universe's higher vibrations creates a world brimming with positivity and plenty. This ongoing interaction with the universe lets us help in crafting a world of limitless potential, leading to a life of happiness, achievement, and balance. Synchronizing with the universe. In the midst of life's turmoil, prayer and meditation serve as stabilizing forces, bringing tranquility and equilibrium. Picture prayer as an easy talk with a higher power, a regular chat that can yield significant advantages. This ongoing dialogue deepens your spiritual connection, alleviating anxiety and concern, much like a reliable friend who's always around, not just during hard times. To forge a solid relationship with the cosmos, both parties must put in effort. Meditating every day allows you to cultivate a serene mental space where insights and guidance can surface, aiding in the discovery of answers and spiritual enlightenment. These instances of clear understanding and motivation are invaluable, steering you to make decisions that resonate with your essence. Let's practice a technique to sync with the cosmic energy. Choose a calm place, sit back, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths, envisioning the universe's energy blending with yours, dispelling any stress or negativity. Visualize your aspirations as present realities, experiencing the happiness and fulfillment they elicit. Throughout this meditative experience, lace your visions with affirmations of your value, openness to prosperity, and the current moment's splendor. Following this, express gratitude in your prayer to the universe, trusting its guidance and the fruition of your dreams. Once finished, ease back into the present, basking in the serenity of your profound connection with the cosmos. Trust that your requests are being fulfilled. This creative process is a cooperative venture with the universe, entailing both giving and receiving. Challenges and unforeseen events in life are orchestrated by the universe to prepare us for our goals. We, as spiritual entities, are not isolated in our journey. We are guided by spirit mentors and guardians, visible and invisible, who provide direction and signals. Each action is a stride toward transformation and advancement, brimming with limitless prospects. The path of life is winding, filled with growth-inducing obstacles and deviations that help us discover our true course. These hurdles are lessons, not punishments, propelling us toward an improved life. Perceiving difficult periods as chances for growth alters our life perspective. fostering personal evolution and a deeper cosmic connection. Embracing the present and practicing gratitude tunes us into the universe's flow, attracting more happiness and positive experiences into our existence. This collaborative journey with the universe not only enhances our spiritual awareness, but also teaches us the power of intention. Setting intentions is like planting seeds in a garden. With care and attention, these seeds grow into the beautiful reality we wish to live in. Through meditation and prayer, we water these seeds with our thoughts and emotions, nurturing them to fruition. The universe, in turn, responds to our intentions, orchestrating events and circumstances that align with our deepest desires. As we continue to engage in this sacred exchange, we learn to navigate life with a sense of purpose and direction. Our prayers and meditations become more than just routine practices. They transform into profound acts of co-creation with the cosmos. This partnership reveals the interconnectedness of all things, showing us that we are not mere spectators in the universe, but active participants in shaping our destiny. In this dance with the divine, patience and persistence are key. The manifestation of our desires may not always follow our planned timeline, but each delay and detour is an opportunity to refine our visions and strengthen our resolve. Trusting in the universe's timing can sometimes be challenging, yet it is essential for maintaining a harmonious relationship with the cosmic flow. This trust allows us to surrender control, opening up to the possibilities that lie beyond our immediate understanding. Ultimately, the practice of prayer and meditation is a journey of self-discovery and universal connection. It invites us to explore the depths of our being and to extend our awareness beyond the physical realm. By aligning our energies with the universe, we tap into a source of wisdom and strength that guides us through life's complexities. This spiritual alignment brings a sense of peace and fulfillment, illuminating our path with the light of cosmic consciousness and reminding us of the magic and mystery that life offers. And if you are still here, a sub to channel would be great. Aligning with cosmic rhythms. Our thoughts, words, and emotions play a big role in how we connect with everything around us. Staying positive helps us sync with the universe, which seems to notice and react accordingly. Gina believes that everything in the universe is connected, and every action triggers a series of reactions. Our mindset and feelings empower us to shape these connections. By keeping a positive and clear mind, we can sync with the cosmic rhythm, taking control of our destiny. To grasp this idea, picture your ambitions as colors on a vast, stunning canvas. Every positive thought and word paints a unique shade, mixing with the universe's colors. Speaking of your dreams as if they are already happening aligns you with the universe's energy, showing that your dreams are on their way to becoming reality. Exploring spiritual alignment more, it involves more than just positive thinking or creating vision boards. It's about harmonizing our energy with the universal flow. Think of spiritual alignment like a magnet that draws in energy matching ours. To truly align, we must release negative emotions like fear and uncertainty, making space for positive, uplifting energies. Finding a balance between patience and action in realizing our dreams is also essential. We often become impatient, desiring outcomes on our schedule, not recognizing that the universe has its own timing. Our dreams are forming in the unseen realm, ready for us to meet their energy level. Imagine life as playing a role in a grand cosmic script, where every choice and action adds to the narrative. We're not alone in this. Spiritual guides and past experiences assist us in navigating and evolving. These forces, though not always seen, lead us towards self-realization and comprehension. Paying attention to subtle signs and coincidences can guide us rightly. Life's twists and turns should be viewed as opportunities for growth and adjustment. Challenges are not punishments, but are meant to induce transformation, moving us closer to grasping our deepest wishes and the complex nature of the universe. Conclusion. Living in the now is a timeless wisdom that makes you feel connected to the entire universe. Being in the moment helps you talk to the cosmos, and showing thankfulness helps you match its peaceful rhythm. The conversations you have inside your head, filled with your thoughts, words, and emotions, are always mingling with the universe's energies. Being hopeful and clear about what you wish for encourages the universe to pay attention and react. You have a significant impact on creating your world, which is why it's essential to keep a hopeful and attentive interaction with the universe. Being fully present connects us deeply with the universe and keeps us grounded, creating a sense of calm and intent. This bond helps us see the beauty and complexity of life, pushing us to live completely and with awareness. When we sync up with the universe's pace, our deeds and goals start to unfold more smoothly, leading to a rewarding and rich life. Staying in the moment and being hopeful sends out a strong vibe that pulls in similar energies, creating chances and experiences that match our inner selves. It's as if we're preparing the scene for the universe to align with our hopes, steering us on paths that fit our truest desires and ambitions. Thus, being in the moment isn't just a habit, it's a life-changing journey that betters our interaction with the universe. It helps us experience life to the fullest, with each instant providing an opportunity to connect with the world meaningfully, steering our fate with every thought and deed.